Good evening. So I've decided I need another strop. I'm going to put this in my truck along with a knife and some wood. And if I'm out and about and I don't have anything to do, I'll have something to do. I want a wide board so that I have two surfaces. So if I leave it in the truck and I use one surface and it turns black, I still got the other side to go. I would think I'd leave this in my truck semi-permanently. This is just a cutoff I had from something. I got this leather out of a Hobby Lobby leather pack. It's called a farmer's bundle. It's 3 pounds. It looks like it'll take the compound good, and it's bigger than the board. So I'll glue this on. I'm just going to use this spray glue. That's way more than I need, which is okay. So I've got a 2x4. It's about the same size. So I'll take this and I'll take another 2x4 and I'll put on the back and I'll clamp those together. This won't get used that much since it'll be stored in my truck, but it'll be available when I do need it. So should work out good. Hey, good morning. So I'm back doing unclamping. So that looks pretty good. Need to trim it. Crappy little knife I use as a utility knife. And I just need to turn this over and cut it. There we go. So let's charge that baby up. Got this white compound from Harbor Freight. It's like a big, really hard crayon. And it's kind of hard to go on if you heat it. It works better. Doesn't help that it's like 30 in the shop today. You don't need much on here, but you probably need to do this a couple times when you first start. Okay, as you can see, it doesn't come off very good, but I think that's probably going to be okay. We'll give it a shot. So let's give it a shot. It's going to be a little difficult to see it turn black. Maybe there could have been a different color. Now I used this knife for about an hour last night on a couple carvings. So it's not like it's completely dull. I can see that getting shiny and dark. If you're holding the bevel correctly, it just glides over the strop. If you don't have it correct, it'll catch, smear. So you see that start to gloss over. So here we go, nice little portable strop. It is double wide, but I make all of mine that way. I'm gonna put this in my truck, so I'm gonna go out there, and if I ever have a problem with one side, I can just switch to the other side. So that's gonna work out well. I'll probably charge that up again before I put it out in my truck. I'll put it out in the truck with a knife, a couple of pieces of wood, and a portable carving kit. So there we go, working out good. So, another strop. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.